The first thing that I want you to do is visit Google. The next step is to search for Capterra in the search box. The top result is the website that we'll be looking at. Click on that link. Once you do, you'll be taken to their homepage. You can take a look at what they have to offer and what exactly this website is for. Scroll through their homepage to find out more, since there's a lot of information there. This website is paying people to write some reviews for various software and programs on the internet. I want to remind you once again that you don't need to buy any software or subscribe to anything. You won't be spending even a single penny. I'm here to help you increase your income, not the other way around. Just stay with me until the end of this video because I'll be sharing some tips as you go forward. There's a statement on their website saying that you can find software in one of their 800+ categories. In every category that you click on, you'll see hundreds of programs under it. You can review as many software and programs as you want because the more reviews that you write, the more money that you'll get. Writing a review doesn't have to take much of your time, so this is something that can be very useful during your free time. I'll be showing you how you can write a review much quicker than the rest, so that you can review more every time you visit the website. There's also more information on their website that'll prove that this website is legitimate, just like the validated reviews that are more than 1.5 million already. There are also more than 50,000 products on this website. A lot of people have left their reviews and they've gotten paid just by doing that. So don't let this opportunity pass by because people all over the world are taking advantage of this opportunity already. This is not the actual website that's paying. Instead, you're getting paid by the creators of the software that you'll be reviewing. The goal of these creators is to make sure that the programs and software they're creating have minimal flaws and that the people that will use them can get what they paid for. So a good review can make their software recognized and therefore, more people will trust and use it. These programs then use websites like Capterra in order to publish their software and get a review. The amount you'll be earning is shared with this website because you won't have this opportunity without Capterra or websites like this anyway. Going back to their website, you'll see a button that says Write a Review. You'll see this at the top right corner of your screen. Just click on that button and you'll be taken to another page. This page will show you thousands of companies that have thousands of projects. You can review any of the results that you see. You can even review them one by one. Are you enjoying this video so far? Make sure to comment with your thoughts and opinions below. Some of the software that you'll see is actually popular, and I bet you're using some of them already even before you saw this video. There is endless software that you can write a review about, so the amount that you'll be earning actually depends on how much time you're willing to spend writing reviews. Let's use QuickBooks as an example. If you're thinking of any specific software that you want to review, then you can look it up in the search bar. Like what I've said, I want you to use QuickBooks as an example. If you click on that, you'll be taken to their page on this website. You have to fill out a form like what you're seeing right now. This is just some basic information that you should provide to ensure that you're a real person rather than a robot or program leaving a review on their software. Well, what I'm about to tell you is really important if you want to make the process of review much easier. Just copy the name of the product that you're about to review and go back to Google. Once you're in Google once again, I want you to paste the name of the product into the search box. Just add the word reviews after the name of the product. In our example, I'll be searching for QuickBooks reviews. You'll be given hundreds of random reviews about this product. You can use the reviews that you'll read to get an idea about the software that you'll be reviewing, especially if you're not familiar with that software. If you don't want to do that, then you can just copy the review and use it in your review on Capterra. Some reviews are really long and helpful. Make sure that you copy the most relevant review that you'll see. You can even rephrase some of the words if you like. Going back to the form, you have to provide your first and last name, email address, job title, organization name, your industry, your company size, and how long you've been using the software. There are also some questions that are easy to answer. If you're not really familiar with the website, you can also look up these questions on Google to have an idea on how you can answer the questions properly. I also want you to note that in the question that says how frequently you use this software, the only answer that you should choose is daily. This is to make sure that they see that you're often using the software, and that way your review is credible and wouldn't be turned down. Keep this in mind as people forget about this and they're only wasting their time, because if this is not the answer that they'll give, their review will most likely go to waste. The next step is that you'll be rating the software. Most of the features are optional, but the more features that you'll rate, the more money you'll get. The last thing to do is give your review a title and answer some more questions. After that, click on Submit and you're good to go. You can earn as much as you want or need. You can even do it whenever you have free time and wherever you are. If you have a day job, you can do it once you get home. The money that you'll make from this can greatly help you, especially if you're still a student. That's all I have for you.